I'm Sara from EssentialHomeandGarden.com. Today we're going to be unboxing the Purivortex Mini Air Purifier AC201B. I have already peeked in this box, so I've taken all the plastic off the purifier already. But I did want to show you one important thing here. When you open this up, the first thing you're going to notice is this little card that tells you that the plug-in is located inside your air purifier. So you have to open the bottom, reach your hand up into the filter there, and that is where you're going to find your cord to plug in your purifier. So don't get confused there. Just going to take that out, take everything out of the plastic, and then this just plugs in right into the middle in the back there. And then you'll be ready to get started. All right, one thing I really like about this little purifier is it actually has quite a bit of functionality for something this size. So you can see the pretty intuitive control panel here on the top. To turn on your purifier, just press the power button in the middle there. It's going to default to blue light on and fan speed at the lowest setting. If you want to turn the decorative light off, you just press the light button right there. It'll run with the light off or on. And then your fan speed button is going to be this one here. This is the lowest fan speed. You can listen to that. It's very quiet. You can barely hear it, even standing right next to it. Medium, a little bit louder, but still hardly noticeable at all. And then your high speed. That one you're going to be able to hear, but it's actually a pretty nice, steady white noise. I like that. And then over here you have your timer function. So you can see you have 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours written on the top here. This actually has 5 timer functions. So if you want to go for 2 hours, just going to press it once, 4 hours twice, 8 hours 3 times, and then if you want to go up to 10 hours, you're going to press it again, and you'll notice the 2 hour and the 8 hour lights are lit up there. And then if you want to go to 12 hours, press it again, you'll see the 4 hour and the 8 hour lights are lit up. And then if you want to just run it continuously, just press it until all the lights are off, and then it'll just keep going until you turn it off. So pretty simple machine here, but actually has a lot of functionality. As you saw when we were unboxing it, if you want to change your filter, it's pretty simple. You're just going to unscrew the bottom, take out the filter. It's a nice, pretty decently sized HEPA filter in there. And you can see there's a lot of air intake holes, which is one of the reasons that this performs so well, even though it's such a small size. But very simple to use, works very well, and it is super quiet and pretty compact. So great little machine for at the office, in a small bedroom, any of those smaller spaces.